Hi, everyone. It's Rich. It's nice to virtually meet you. Hopefully, a number of you will stop by during the semester and meet me during office hours. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of an introduction to how our online course works. Um, we have no scheduled class. You'll notice you have probably one day with no classes, but you do need to be working each week. So all our lessons are broken down. Everything is done on Blackboard. So in each week, you're going to have 4 or 5 activities that you're going to need to complete. And what we will do is we're basically going to build out one web application through the entire semester. So each week we're going to add on new features. So the course is very hands-on, and the activities, some of them are tutorials that you kind of read through and follow the instructions. There's some video lessons and there's some other activities. Each week you're also going to have assignments for grades. Every Tuesday night, you have a short multiple choice review quiz that's based on the previous week's content. And that'll be due Tuesday midnight, and each one of those quizzes is worth 1% of your grade. Then you also have a weekly lab, again, for 1%, and those weekly labs are due Wednesday night at midnight. So you have to make those submissions on Blackboard by Wednesday night. So you'll have those, 2% each week, a lab by Tuesday and a lab by Wednesday, and the review quiz due Tuesday night. You'll have 2 big assignments, one due before reading week and one due after reading week. The one after reading week is actually due in a couple of parts. And we will have, your exams will be online, so they will be open book online exams. The midterm exam will be written during week 7. And I will be posting a date and time. It will have to be written in the same 3-hour block for everyone, as well as for the final exam. I'll just be checking what everyone's schedules look like to try and make sure I schedule that exam at a convenient time. I do have office hours, regular office hours. When I've taught online before, I do wind up getting to meet most of the students. So feel free to come to office hours and visit me when you have questions. Also, my contact information is in the About course. That's really the first place you want to go, is have a look at the course outline and the course syllabus for the schedule and our topics. You'll also see how to get a hold of me, my office phone extension, my email, as well as office hours, as well as a general guide. This is probably going to be everyone's first online course. So I have some tips in there as to how to take an online course. Once you've been through that, everything else you need is going to be inside of the weekly learning folders on Blackboard with a folder set up for each week. So I hope you find the course interesting, and I'll speak to you soon.